In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix the destination folder already exists error in WordPress. Are you facing the destination folder already exists error while installing a plugin or theme? There are two reasons why you might be seeing this error. First, if you tried to remove the plugin or theme and it did not remove properly and you still have the folder there. And second is maybe you tried to install the plugin or theme and something interrupted the installation and now you have an empty folder. The first thing that you can do is to check your installed themes or plugins. So go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Installed Plugins. Then you find the plugin that is causing the error. And if it is on this list, just go ahead and delete it. After deleting the plugin, from here, the files from the server will be deleted, and you will be able to install a fresh copy of the plugin. If it is not on this list, log into your cPanel account. You can do it via FTP as well. But in this tutorial, I will show you how to do it via cPanel. Log into your cPanel account, then click on File Manager. Since I am working on my subdomain, I will look for that folder. If you are working on your main domain, then open this folder called Public HTML. Double-click on the folder to open it. Look for the folder named WP Content. Double-click on the folder to open it. Here we have a folder called Plugins. This folder contains all the files of the installed plugins on your site. Double-click on the folder to open it. And now look for the plugins folder here. Usually, the folder name is similar to the plugin's name. And then just delete the appropriate folder from here. This is how you can fix the destination folder already exists error in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.